We have seen the use case of Bitcoin in utilities rise in recent months. The latest is the US Federal Housing Department exploring Bitcoin as a mortgage hedge. Now, if approved, this will mark a tectonic shift. Take a look at this next report for more details on this.
Cryptos are now being tentatively examined by the government-sponsored entities at the core of the US housing market. Bitcoin, for example, was once dismissed as a fringe fantasy by a niche band of crypto believers. But late in June, federal officials began investigating the possibility of incorporating digital assets stored into mortgage risk assessments. Lenders use these assessments to determine if a borrower has the financial capacity to repay their housing debt, including crypto. In that calculation would mark a significant shift for the sector. It would catapult digital assets from the speculative sidelines into the heart of the mainstream. If adopted, the policy would mark one of the most practical use cases for crypto yet, bringing digital assets into the architecture of the American dream. The order brings back a debate the housing finance establishment has long brushed aside. Should Bitcoin be counted as a regular wealth-boosting asset to underwrite a loan? Under the traditional process, borrowers whose wealth sat in crypto had to convert it into cash, often months in advance. That prevented digital assets from functioning as a stable input in mortgage underwriting. If crypto is eventually allowed to count towards mortgage eligibility without being liquidated, borrowers could retain their tokens instead of converting them. US Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA, Director Bill Pult has publicly advocated for Bitcoin. He is the one who ordered Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac for the review. The move aligns with a wider Republican effort to deepen crypto's integration into federal finance, with the pro-crypto Trump at the helm. The proposal might advance at a brisk pace. For now, though, no rule has changed yet. No policy has been implemented. Any potential change is still in early stages and requires approval. The details also need to be fleshed out before it becomes a reality.